Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to plus two second year English set. Today we shall begin with number 5, that is write notes in outline form on the main ideas in the following passage. Right. So for some people, this is the passage. For some people, atlases are nothing more than useful books of reference. Atlas, in our school we use atlas. That is also one kind of globe, right? So atlas. They consult them only when they are obliged to do so. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ତା ସହିତ କନସଲ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି, ଆଟଲାସ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରନ୍ତି। ଫର୍ ଅଦର୍ସ ଦେ ଆର୍ ଏ ସୋର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଇନଫିନାଇଟ୍ ଡିଲାଇଟ୍। ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବୋଲିକିରି ବହୁତ ଖୁସିର କଥା। ତ ରିଏଲ୍ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ ଲଭର୍, ମାନଚିତ୍ର ପ୍ରେମୀ, ଇଜ୍ transported beyond his own room into a countryside he knows well, cities he has visited, or distant places he has read about but never seen. He holds the world in his hands and his imagination leads, तार कल्पना चली जाए, leads him everywhere, ताकू चारियाडे बाट करे नहीं जाए। Large scale maps of your own neighborhood are fascinating, विमुग्धकारी, मुग्धकर, precisely because you know the district well. In no time, you are following a familiar path, turning the dots in the map into houses and shops and the crosses into churches. You climb a hill and as the counter Bayorekha up the map fall away before you, you trace the shapes of grassy shops and valleys as far as the horizon. When you return home, you feel as if you have been wandering about for hours, even though you have not stirred from your armchair. ଆଉ ତମେ ଆର୍ମଚେୟାରରୁ ଟିକେ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ କରିନା ସବୁ ଦେଖିଦେଇଛ। ମ୍ୟାପ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଅନଫ୍ୟାମିଲିୟର ଟେରିଟୋରି, ଅପରିଚିତ ସୀମା ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ପ୍ଲେଜର, ମାନେ ଅଲଗା ପ୍ରକାର ଖୁସି ଆମକୁ ଦିଏ। ହିୟର ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଲିଉଡ୍, ପ୍ରଲୋଭିତ ହୁଅ into the unknown, ଅଜଣା। You imagine strange people and magnificent scenery, ଚମତ୍କାର ଦୃଶ୍ୟପଟ, ଦୃଶ୍ୟରାଜି। You traverse seas, few ships have crossed, answer. So it's in outline form is this is the answer. For some atlas are nothing more than useful books of reference. For some a source of limitless delight. Large scale maps of one's neighborhood are interesting. Maps of unfamiliar territories give pleasure of a different kind. They make one imagine moving across strange people and splendid scenery. Next, summarize it. So, summarize the passage in question number 8 using the notes you have made. So, answer. Its title is Usefulness of Atlas. Some consider Atlas nothing more than useful books of reference. They greatly delight some by enabling them to imaginatively visit different scene and unseen places. देखी जगह को। Large scale maps of one's neighborhood show one a familiar path to visit known place of one's district, even sitting in one's armchair. Maps of unvisited territories, जो गुड़ाक आम देखने afford great pleasure to one since one imagines moving among strange places and strange people. Rewrite the passage given below, correcting all 15 the grammatical errors in it. Okay, we shall do it. So let's see what is the grammatical error in it. Could understand? Yes. What is written here? Where is the cursor here? Rahul and Ramesh were best. What did I say? Please tell me.
Rahula
And Ramesh are best. Were best friends. And lagichi. Rahul is a subject. Ramesh is a subject. Could understand? Joined by conjunction and, so it should be friends, not friend. So Rahul and Ramesh were best friends. Could understand? What did I say? Best friends. Best friends.
capital
Capital L. Okay, I shall do it. Wait. I shall do it. Right? Best friends. Studying in school. Studying in school. Right?
in a school.
In studying
In a school.
no. Rahul and Ramesh were best friends studying in school. Right? Wait. Here is the full stop. Rahul was good in sports. Right? It is not good. It is the right preposition is at. This it is not in. Could understand? What did I say? In is incorrect. The right preposition is at. So Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. Ramesh was good at both. Ramesh was good at both. In any competition, at any competition, that is not in any competition. Would understand? That is wrong. In any competition, wait. In any competition, Ramesh always managed to win. ସବୁଥି ସିଏ ଜିତି ଯାଉଥିଲା. ଏଜ୍ ଏ ରିଜଲ୍ଟ, ଯାହାଫଳରେ କି ରାହୁଲ ବିକେମ୍ ଜିଲିୟସ୍. ଏଜ୍ ଏ ରିଜଲ୍ଟ ରାହୁଲ ବିକେମ୍ ଜିଲିୟସ୍ with Ramesh. With it is not a right preposition. It should be up. Instead of with, we shall write up. Okay. In any competition here with. Could you understand? Yes, that is. Tell me.
Afu.
Afu. Julius Afu. The right people Afu. Ramesh. The sports day was near. ଖେଳ ଦିନ ପାଖେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲା. Rahul and Ramesh were practicing for it. Rahul was not sure if he could score. Here, if he could. Here we will write a modal. COULD. 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 ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କହିଦେଉନ. Could score a win over Ramesh. Slowly they talked less. Witty win. They talk among. So among between, the difference between among and use of among and between. ଦି ଜଣ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ହେଲେ among means मध्य मध्यरे between मध्य मध्यरे आका किंतु दी जण हेइथि बेले सेडे we will use between जदि more than two हेइथिबे सेडा we will use among here mark that there are only two Rahul and what Ramesha. So the right preposition is between, not among. So let's remove it. So where this is the yes between okay between themselves Ramesha asked him the reason many times, but Rahul always put him up, always put him off. Put him off. This is off. Right? Another F. OFF off. With an excuse or other. बुझिपारछ नहीं कौन ये गोटे एक्सक्यूज कौन गोटे बाहाना करी पड़ेब वन डे बिफोर द स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट ये जो खेल दिन पूर्व बिफोर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट राहुल हिट एट ए प्लान हिट अन हिट अपान हिट बेले विधा मारी हम कि हिट अपान बेले गोटे उपाय चिंता कला कुड अंडरस्टैंड it is wrong preposition on oblique upon 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 both are the right preposition a plan to defeat Ramesh ताको परास्त करियाको he went to the ground before anyone had arrived there he went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. Anyone arrived there? Had not had. Anyone had. Anyone arrived there? This is the nearest past and distance past. First, what happened? He arrived. Could understand? So simple past, okay. He dug a small pit. Dog means kholila, gote gatta kholila. Right? Small pit in the path. This is not on in the path. Right preposition is in the path. In the path where Ramesh was supposed to run. Where Ramesh was जो रास्ता रे से धाई बोलिकी जानते से गोटे गात खोलदेला. In the path where Ramesh was supposed to run. Then he covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. तापर ता पत्तर घोड़े देला. He covered it and went back to his classroom. When the race started, right? Back to classroom. When the race started, Ramesh was ahead of Rahul. Rahul आगे आगा Ramesh was ahead of Rahul. That after some time he stepped on the pit and fell down. किसी समय पर सिया आएगा पड़ीगला. When the race started, Ramesh was ahead of Rahul, but after some time he stepped on the pit and fell down. Stepped on the pit and fell down. Rahul took over him. Rahul overtook him. Took over, that is overtook him. right? Yes, this is it. Overtook. Overtook him. He was very happy as his plan worked. से खुशी ହେଲା ଯେ ତାର ପ୍ଲାନ୍ଟା କାମ worked. And he won the prize. And he owned worked, and he had, it is not perfect, it should be simple past. He owned, yes he did, owned the first prize, right? Soon after Raul realized his fault and begged forgiveness. କିନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ପରେ ତାର ନିଜର ଭୁଲ ଉପଲବ୍ଧ କରିପାରିଲା, ତାପରେ ତାକୁ କ୍ଷମା ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କଲା. With this, that is the end of today's +2 second year English set class. We shall discuss the other things in our next class. Then bye, thank you.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's done. Okay.